How to hide repost on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on repost. Now the first option is to delete that repost. Tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on your activity. Then tap on repost. Now select the post and tap on delete. Now the second option is to turn your account to the private account. Simply go back. Now simply scroll down and find account privacy. Simply tap on it. Now turn on the toggle for private account. Then tap on switch to private. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.